So what's up guys, Darren here from Darren on Demand. Just a quickie, I've actually just had a delivery in of new t-shirt vinyl. And they're totally different than what I've ever had before. I mean, also in the delivery today, I've actually had like gold delivered, green, blue vinyl, like a silver grey vinyl, even though it looks white on there, and it's actually a much darker yellowy orange than you can see there. That looks actually bright yellow, but it's actually not. So if you see there without the light. But yeah, so this delivery that we've had today, you're not going to see any of this vinyl here at the minute. It may come, it may not, but I thought I'd try it, and you know, if it actually works well, then I'm going to be offering it as a standard on a lot of the stuff that we do. So anyway, let's show you. So we have a flower vinyl, which looks pretty cool there, as you can see. We have a butterfly vinyl, which again is cool there. So a butterfly vinyl. We also have like a coloured swirl, like a graffiti swirl. I think that's going to look awesome with the Demand Nothing Less logo on. That's going to work really well. And then we have like a leopard print. That's awesome. That's an awesome print there. And we have these black and white lines. Now this really intrigued me actually, because looking at it on a design that the company that I bought it from actually did, looked awesome, especially if you've got wording running down the page, and you either have the actual vinyl running this way, or you could actually have the vinyl running that way. Looks super cool. I'm really interested in trying that one out. So the next one is like a snake skin, but it's actually black and like hologram line. So I don't know if you can see from there, but that looks the biz. And then the final one is another snake skin, or yeah, I would say a snake skin, but this is silver and black. But as you can see, like from when you're looking at it in the light, the inner section is multicolored, even though when you're looking at it just standard, it actually isn't. So yeah, really looking forward to trying these. There's a 2, 4, 6, so there's 7 different ones there. So watch this space. I'll do a couple of test cuts, press them onto a couple of t-shirts, and let you know how they actually come out. But if you want to place any orders, guys, for any design on a t-shirt, whether or not it's a picture, a transfer, sublimation, vinyl, if you have a logo, anything that you want, just get in touch. DarrenOnDemand@gmail.com, or just go to our Facebook page and just type in Darren on Demand, and it will pop up with myself there. But also go over to our YouTube channel, which you should already be on, because obviously if you're watching this video, this is on YouTube, and check out the merch that we have there. We have a range of different style t-shirts, and we will be increasing the designs. So we'll be doing the same types of designs, but just in the various colours of vinyls, and obviously these now. So yeah, hope you liked the video, guys. If you did, smash that like button, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. But remember, guys, demand nothing less. I'll see you on the other side. Bye. Just one more quick thing, guys, before I go. we've actually just had the mechanism for printing caps and printing on the arms and things like that. We've actually had that delivered today, so that can be pressed onto baseball caps and snapbacks and things like that. So again, if you have a logo that you want printed onto a cap, just let me know. You can supply the cap if you want, or we can buy them, that's no problem at all. But yeah, just another offering that I can attach to my current heat press and yeah, take it from there. So that's all I wanted to say, guys. Thanks a lot, see ya.